forget low-quality videos and get ready for a more cleaner and clearer YouTube. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. The video giant just announced a bold new AI-powered feature that will magically upscale your blurry videos into stunning 1080p HD and soon even 4K. Say goodbye to those grainy clips from the early 2000s. YouTube revealed that its new super resolution mode will use artificial intelligence to enhance video quality, automatically turning low-res uploads into sleek, modern visuals. And don't worry, creators will have full control. The original files will stay untouched, so you can test out the AI magic without losing your vintage uploads. The upscaling AI feature will be enabled automatically, but users who prefer their videos old school can opt out anytime. Viewers will even see a special super resolution tag when AI enhancement is active, a rare transparency move in today's AI race. The update is part of a massive YouTube makeover to make the platform smarter, sharper, and easier to use. The company's rolling out a cleaner video player with better controls that won't cover up your screen. Comments are also getting a glow up thanks to a threaded reply system that makes conversations easier to follow. Creators will get some perks too, like thumbnail uploads now jump from 2 MB to 50 MB, so you can paste more eye-catching preview images. And soon, you'll be able to flip through subscribed channels right from your homepage, giving YouTube the feel of old-school TV channel streaming. YouTube is giving its massive library a modern AI makeover after 20 years, so the next time you hit play, your favorite low-resolution video might just look like it was filmed yesterday. Which old thing are you gonna watch now? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.